Kids in school today use a slightly different method for multiplying whole numbers than you probably learned when you were in school. However, we're going to use the traditional right-to-left method that you're probably familiar with. So to multiply whole numbers where at least one of them has two or more digits, you're going to start by arranging the numbers on top of one another, lining up the place values. So for example, if we have 624 times 12, you're going to start by lining up the place values, and usually you put the biggest number on top. So we have 624 times 12. And you don't have to put the biggest number on top, but it makes it easier. Now you're going to begin with the number in the ones place, or the digit in the ones place on the bottom, and you're going to multiply that digit by each digit on the top. So to start with, we multiply 2 by 4 is 8, 2 by 2 is 4, 2 by 6 is 12. Now we're going to move over to the tens place. So we multiply 1 by 4 is 4, and we're starting in the tens place, so you're going to put it in the tens place. Now if you want to put a 0 here as a placeholder, that's okay. 1 times 2 is 2, 1 times 6 is 6. Finally, we're going to add our two numbers here. 8 and 0 is 8, 8, 2 and 2 is 4, 1 and 6 is 7. The answer is 7,488. In multiplication, as with addition, sometimes you have to carry. So for example, here we have 45 by 37. We're going to start with the digit in the ones place on the bottom and multiply it by both of the digits on top. So 7 times 5 is 35. We're going to write the answer in the ones place, and we can write the 5, but there's no room for the 3. So we're just going to write that up at the top for now so it doesn't cause confusion. 7 times 4 is 28, plus the 3 that we carried is 31. Now we're going to move over to the tens place in the bottom, and I'm going to put a placeholder here just to remind myself and to hold the ones place. So 3 times 5 is 15. I'm going to write that in the tens place, but I can only write one of those digits, so I'm going to write the 5, and I'm going to put the 1 up top here just for now so it doesn't cause confusion. And 3 times 4 is 12, plus the 1 I just carried is 13. So now we add down the columns. 5 and 0 is 5, 1 and 5 is 6, 3 and 3 is 6, and 1 and nothing is 1. The product is 1,665.